Hi, this is Thermo-Tarp shelter with insulation layer. Insulation layer defeat from the cold butt syndrome. Just hook the loops of the shorter side to the hammock carabiner. Longer side of the Thermo-Tarp cover along the hammock and bundle the loops loosely on the opposite side. 1, 2, 3, and the bundle is ready. Do not tense, tie it loosely. It's ready, let's try it. You can tie middle loop to the cover with a quilt all around. And it's getting warmer. Other option: the roof against the snow, the screen against the wind, and the hammock underquilt to protect from the cold butt syndrome. You should try it.